Today, we're going to show you the new version of Rhino JFR's Array Objects on Surface Tool. Let's take a look.